This 2023 Sunset Park, RVUSA Lite 24th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Sunset Park RV is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.